Hello again, everyone. My name is JJ Walia, and I'm from AIM Consulting. And in this video, I'm going to go over how you could change a measure within a report on the fly dynamically without having edit rights, obviously. So having edit rights, you could definitely change a measure that's predetermined within a report, but you're also saving the report and impacting other several users. But in this method, to overcome the limitation, I created a way that allows Power BI to basically be told to switch whatever measure I select and change it based on the selection I chose to the measure that was predetermined. So I'm going to show you how to create a measure or a report with a measure that's static, and then show you how to dynamically change it and exceed the limitation. Here we go. So right now I have a report here that has total sales throughout the full data set. And just to bring some clarity, we're going to bring in a preset attribute for education. Now we've got our total sales by education. And this report shared to you, and you have edit rights. You can go into your measures table, and from total sales, you would deselect that particular measure. Let's say you want to go to total customers. Now instead of total sales, it's giving you each customer value based on the grouping of education. So here we have the measures changed. Again, this is done through edit mode, which would mean you would have edit rights in this report. If you had not have edit rights, you would not be seeing this, and you would not be able to change this currently within this limitation. But to dynamically do this, basically telling Power BI to switch the values of the measure that's in the report to the measure you selected is two steps. So first, you're going to be creating a slicer here with all the measures that you've already selected in the data set, or you've created in the data set. And you're going to make that a slicer because you want to be able to select which one you want to switch to. And then in your actual report, you're going to remove that static measure that's pre-selected. And in your measures, I've created a dynamic measure, which basically just allows me to determine the measure value based on the selection in my slicer. So right now you can see it's blanked because I have nothing selected, but let's go back to total sales. Here I have total sales by education. And now again, let's go to the next example. I went from total sales to, let's say, average sale per customer. Now you can see here, we've got average sale. Just to make this even more clear, I'm gonna quickly show you how I could see that actual measure is being changed here. So I'm going to go ahead and plop this. And this just basically is giving you a visual that the measure is being changed on the fly. Just bear with me 1 second here. Here we go. So now we're in average sale per customer. Let's go to sales per order. We can go to total orders, total sales back again, total units order. And you can change this on the fly. This is just basically telling Power BI in the back end that, hey, whatever's pre-selected in the report, whatever measure is selected, let's change that to whatever is selected in the slicer. So great way for a user to interact with the report and change the measure on the fly to what they would like to see based on their needs. Thank you.